across to these visuals. We are picking up from Tamil Nadu. This is Pallaverkadu, where a minister is being seen carried on by fishermen so that his shoes do not get wet. That is the shocking story we're tracking from Tamil Nadu. This minister by the name Anita Radhakrishnan is being seen carried by fishermen so that his shoes do not get wet. In the video, the minister who visited Pallaverkadu to investigate about sea erosion had taken a boat ride to inspect the area, can then be seen being carried by the local people from what can be seen a very short distance from the sea to the shore on his hips. There you can see that VVIP racism on tape, wherein this particular minister, Anita Radhakrishnan, who's a DMK minister, can be seen being carried by these fishermen a very short distance from that boat that you can see to the shore, wherein he took the help of these fishermen just so that his shoes do not get wet. This is absolutely shocking, and his VVIP racism, high-headedness, has been caught on tape. This minister has been carried by, as you can see on your television screens, at least 2 to 3 people. The reason being that this particular Neta did not want his shoes to get wet. This is bizarre. Apurva is joining us with more details. Apurva, has the minister given any reaction yet to this kind of a high-headedness that we are seeing on our television screens? And the distance more so makes it all the more shocking.
Well, we haven't yet received any reaction from the minister himself as well. But what we are seeing is that this video that has already gone viral on social media, we are seeing that the minister can be seen being seated on the hip of one of the fishermen with whom he had traveled to Pallaverkadu to inspect the sea erosion and the similar issues there in that area. But what we can see, what has caught the people's eye, is the fact that the minister, who's ironically a fisheries minister, sought the help of a fisherman. In fact, sat on the hip of a fisherman and had crossed the waters, which is less than a couple of distance as well. And this is something that is shocking. In fact, in the video, if we see, there is also the villagers there who are also taking a chair and keeping it in place between the water and the shore as well for the minister to cross. But even then, the minister there is hesitant to cross the waters, thereby which you can see the fishermen there helping the minister to cross the waters by seating him on their hip.
All right. Thank you, Apurva, for getting us those details. Absolutely shocking, and we're waiting for that minister's response. Really, how is he going to justify this, given the treatment that has been meted out to these fishermen and them paying due respects to him, still being able to do it? But what was the reason, really? And there was no need to really go ahead with this kind of a shocking behavior. Thank you, Aneri, for sharing all those details.